do, come about shoulder length, bust that thing hard right. You're gonna hold the wheel all the way till you get straight. And bust it back to the left a little bit. And I can see it now. Bump the horn. Now we're going in reverse. We're going in reverse. We're gonna get right up under there. You wanna line these wheels up with the end of the trailer, and you be perfect every time. You be perfect every time. Yeah, every time. Look on the other side. All connected, guys. Let's go get out, connect these airlines. Normally I have my stick with me, but I ain't bring my stick with me today, so. I don't like my cords to be tangled up and shit. Sometimes they still do, but it is what it is. I ain't even mad. We're gonna connect that. Make sure it's locked on there. We gotta connect the blue one. Connect the blue one, make sure it's on there. I ain't gonna connect the green one. I always like to put the green one over the top. Okay. My tires looking good. You know what I'm saying? Everything looking good. All my lug nuts and everything. They gonna get up under here, and y'all see it's connected right there. If y'all can see that, I hope y'all can. It's connected. All my lights in the back working and everything. Okay, now I know I'm connected. Go ahead and let my landing gear up. See, normally I could do my little 2-finger method, but in these trailers, man, these shits be so damn old. It's better to roll that shit like that. See what I'm saying? This shit could have already been lifted up quick. You always want to roll it all the way to the top. In case if you get some places in the ground too low. I always try to raise my shit all the way to the top, because I don't want it to be scrubbing the ground. My clearance lights working, got my mud fly. Pull my damn tandems and close up the doors. A little short load today, guys. I don't want this shit hanging out the back. You always want to make sure the latches are locked up so the door don't open on you when you're driving down the road. I always like to make sure they're locked. I'm gonna slide my damn tandem to the front. This load only 8,000 pounds, so I'm definitely gonna slide them. Everything else looking good. Got my PV8 blaster. Normally I keep this in the side compartment. I just decided to move it a couple of days ago. I like to have it a little close to me now. Done put my seatbelt back on. Put my seatbelt on. Now we're gonna do a tug test. You're gonna push the yellow brake in. Push the yellow one in. You know, make sure the red one's pulled out. Tug on it. Tug on it. I always tug 2 times. Push the red one in. Push the red valve in. You good to pull on out. You good to pull on out. Stop by right here because I need to slot my sander before I get to the guard shack. So we're gonna slide these things. When you hear the boom, you know you got it. I'm gonna stop right there. We're gonna start right there. Pop out. Pop out, come back here. You want to come back here? Pop out, come back here. We got a Swift driver. What's going on, my brother? Normally, you push this up, and then you go lock them in. But because I drove first, mine's already got locked in, so I don't need to do that. But what I'm gonna do, we're gonna pull up a little more so the guard can check my paperwork, and then we're gonna hit the road, man.